Hello boys and girls. My name is Edward Bernays Sauce. I'm traveling to the colonies today to give a speech to some PR students about strategic planning.
Here you are, Professor Bernays Sauce. Enjoy your trip to Montclair, New Jersey.
Thank you.
Let's go, let's go. You got some medal on you.
I got a medal hip in the war.
You were in the war. What war?
The war on drugs.
How much longer do I have to keep these earthling clothes on?
Until the takeover is complete, and we install Tom Cruise as our leader.
Say mister, why are you so funny looking?
That was exactly the look I was going for. The funny looking look. See that? Practice makes perfect. Did your parents ever tell you that you're not really theirs? You're Satan seed. Thanks for letting me sit in the cockpit, Mr. Johnson.
Please call me Michael. And did I tell you cockpit is my favorite word?
Well, thanks Mr. Johnson, but I think I'll go back to my seat in coach now.
Boy, it sure is hot in here. Wouldn't you like to take something off?
Actually, I'm freezing. You don't have a heavy coat that locks in the front, do you? On the road again. Can't wait to be on the road again. If anyone knows the rest of that song, you can tweet me.
Professor Mayonnaise, would you like some coffee? I would like some coffee. I could get you a cup if you want. Do you want?
No thanks, young lady, but that's very kind of you. And, my name is Bernays Sauce. Now where was I? Oh yes. You should evaluate your plan based upon the metric you had originally agreed to. Any questions?
Professor Mayonnaise, can we have class outside? It's so nice out there. Please. Pretty please.
Absolutely not, young lady. And the name is Bernays Sauce. Not mayonnaise. That's enough out of you, young lady.
There, you happy now?
So if your metric was a 20% increase in web traffic, that's what you would measure. Not an increase in sales or an increase in awareness. Even an increase in dancing.
Professor Mayonnaise. Look out. Poor Professor Mayonnaise. He seemed like a nice guy. Will you take care of Professor Mayonnaise, doctor?
I'll take real good care of him, young lady.